What made me passionate about studying science in sixth form was probably the teaching and the kind of the relationship, especially with my biology teachers, and the kind of opportunities you can get from science. Like, it's very new, and you can always develop your ideas, and that was kind of interesting to me.
We were taught more to ask the questions and taught to learn.
Okay, so just pour that in there. Give it a bit of a stir. Right, you can hear it. Yeah, you can see it fizzing away there.
They put so much more effort, and I do mean so much more effort, on the fact that you can enjoy the subject.
Well, we're building a rocket that we're going to shoot, and we've made 2 layers, and this one is going to be thicker, so that it's going to go up quicker because it's got more weight on the top.
2, 1, go!
When I transitioned from Dunhurst to Bedales, the first big thing that hit me was the size. It's another great experience, and the way that they teach down Dunhurst again mirrors up here.
There is no kind of pathway you have to choose, and with BACs as well, you're not kind of okay, here's a science, we're going to put you on this side of the school, and it's kind of great because that expands your knowledge even more.
I would say it's just as good or better as schools like Bedales at science, but it's got other aspects that aren't academic that makes it better.
And the spaces are really, really nice to work in as well. There are so many labs here. We've got big ones and smaller ones, so it's kind of depending on the science. The connection with the 3 schools is great because we can go up to Bedales and see what it's like. You can go down and help at Dunhurst as well. I know a few people in my year had this thing for science where they go and teach Dunhurstian science, which I think they really enjoy.
And the staff are very encouraging of student collaboration. So if a student may be struggling, then you may have another student coming in to sort of say, actually, this is how I understood it, and so maybe try it this way.
Oh, right. And then the reason that these hydroclusters don't just move is because all the water's within the hydrocluster, so now they can't slide over each other.
Right,
which is pretty cool. And then there's a reason for why you have to continuously increase the force, but that's slightly more complicated.
There's a lot of science activities and science courses that you can do that are un-curriculum, that are just fun-based. If you want to explore science but you don't actually want to become one scientist, then it's great here to do that.
It's so easy to go and do experiments. We don't have to go and travel all the way to the park like you would in London.
Do you think we've got some creatures in there?
Yes, I think so.
Let's go and empty it out and have a look.
Outside trips are so important for showing you why you would want to consider doing a career in science. There were always lots of outside speakers coming in and talking to you about science. I mean, about all subjects, but specifically the science ones were really good. And I think that's something that fueled my interest.
I don't think I would have gone to Cambridge if it wasn't for Bedales.